Welcome to Soap Making Workshop. In this video, you'll learn how to add recipes and procedures to keep your soap making process organized and efficient. Let's get started. To add a new recipe, click the New Recipe button at the top of the table. In the General Data section, you can assign a tag, recipe name, author, and batch quantity, a critical field for scaling ingredient amounts in production. Informational fields like superfat percentage, water ratio, lye concentration, fresh soap density, and cured soap density are also included. Finally, set the recipe status, such as active, in development, or discarded. The Ingredients section lets you add one or more ingredients. For each ingredient, specify its category, name, and quantity, essential for calculating production requirements. The Batch Tracking section displays tags of all batches where this recipe was used, providing full traceability. You'll also find the Images, Files, and Notes sections here. They work exactly as explained previously. You can attach images, certificates, or any supporting documents for quick reference. This helps keep records organized and provides visual verification when needed. To add a new procedure, simply click the New Procedure button located at the top of the table. In the General Data section, you can specify details like a tag, procedure name, author, creation date, procedure type, estimated execution time, saponification temperature, curing time, and status such as active, under review, or in development. The Steps section allows you to add all necessary procedure steps. For each step, you can define the step name, estimated duration, and required equipment, add one or multiple tools, detailed instructions, add as many as needed, reference images, added as previously explained, and optional notes. All elements, equipment, instructions, images, and notes can be reordered within the step by simply dragging them to the desired position. The Batch Tracking section displays tags of all batches where this procedure was used, providing valuable traceability. And that's how you create and manage recipes and procedures in Soap Making Workshop. With these tools, you can standardize your soap making process for consistent, high-quality results every time. If you haven't already, get Soap Making Workshop exclusively on the Apple App Store and subscribe to unlock all these powerful features. In our next tutorial, we'll guide you through batch production and soap bar production, showing how recipes, ingredients, procedures, equipment, and molds come together to streamline your manufacturing process. Don't miss it.